Alright, you guys, I am in Costco. So look what we have. Donkey Kong Bonanza for Nintendo Switch 2. It's going to be $62.99, so 63. And if you want the Nintendo 2, it's going to be $530. So I'm just going to round that. Online plus expansion pack, 12-month membership. Mario Kart 2 and the Costco bundle. So we have a skylight calendar at $270, touchscreen, smart calendar. I know a lot of people use the smart calendars with like their family. There's several types to choose from. This one is $269. And then we have this one right here. This is just a table monitor. It's going to be $90. The plug and play, which is $90.
Use it for all these things. He could plug it. So I guess maybe if you just have your Xbox or your PlayStation with you have a portable screen instead of bringing a whole TV. Maybe for phones and tablets if you want it bigger, to watch a bigger thing when you're watching a video.
Okay, if you're in the market for a table, they get a 5-piece dining set right here. $880 for the set. And you get the chair. It's just like a simple round table. So right now in my Costco, we still have like the same furniture. So there's like nothing like new. Over here is $1,400. It's the long table. A 9-piece dining set for $1,400. And the pillows, you guys, all the decorated pillows, like for Halloween. The Halloween ones went by fast. They're gone. They are gone. Some coloring stuff. You get 30 stickers in here. Colorful world. Look at that. I'm not too sure how much they are. This is $25, but there's no sticker. I'm just going off the price, $20. But they don't have a sticker. This is the animal one. Neon colors. They also have a glitter one. Uh-oh. Let me push that back. The glitter one. And this one right here. And dinosaurs, $18. That's kind of cool. And prehistoric life. You get 6 in here. $6. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Festivus, $19.49. This one is going to be the pop-up calendar. How funny.
That's funny.
Oh, the Bette Midler mac and cheese. I just saw that episode. You know, I honestly like the episodes with George's parents. I feel like those are my favorite. I think he passed, right?
No, probably.
And I believe that was Ben Stiller's dad. I heard about that a long time ago. And then we have the Great Big Schoolhouse, $11.80. Pokemon, a big fact book, the facts.
Yeah.
More dinosaur, $14. Then we got paper crafts and crossword puzzles. Okay, what do we have? I think this one's gonna be new. Oh, is this a Netflix show? Is that Pierce Brosnan? You know what? He is a handsome man. He looks actually better to me older. Okay.
Costco gets that.
Okay. Oh, like a silver fox.
We get finer with it.
Okay. 11.50 right here. And then.
Age like wine.
Okay. Get out of here. My gosh. You wish, bro. $12. Okay. So we're still around. Hey,
It's funny because
did they take this out of Disneyland? Somebody, were you telling me, or is that a rumor? Is that a rumor?
Yeah, that drives me nuts. I love it.
Happy Life is $18, and this one's 18. Okay, and I believe this might be it for books. Nothing too new. So I know a lot of people said they were gonna take like Costco books away. We still have Costco books, just only this table. There used to be like 2 different tables. I feel like they brought more, but it maybe this Christmas they'll bring. Obviously, they were gonna bring out more, but we'll see. Because I know some people in the comment section said that they have no more books, which I think is so weird. The only thing Christmas vibes here are the ribbon. They're $8.50 and $57. Somebody's playing ABBA. I think the lady next to me is playing ABBA. I only know most of their songs. Mamma Mia soundtrack, because my birds listen to that. So I can like spot the soundtrack, even though I'm not a fan of the movie. I know, I'm sorry. I know a lot of people love Mamma Mia, but my parakeets listen to Mamma Mia. Did you hear him playing Mamma Mia in his cart? We've seen these before. These are the squishy lights. These are pretty cool.
It sounds different with that parakeet's tripping along.
Yeah, but that's the only thing Christmassy here. The ribbon and the ornaments. I do get jealous because I see people's videos of their Costco, and I'm like, oh, we don't have that. Oh, look right here. This is cute. $29.99. They're die cast. Gonna cost you a little more. It is the name brand too, you know.
Yeah, we had this. What's funny is we had the Swarovski ornament before we even had Halloween.
Yeah, but my Hobby Lobby has some Christmas. Okay, here's a new toy. They always have this one out. This is the touch one where you don't put the pegs in, so you just like touch it.
Huh.
Yeah. Gonna be $44. Sorry, $44. You know what? Because we're touching it and not putting a peg in, so we're paying the extra money to be like lazy, I guess. I don't know.
That's probably $2 to me.
Create, play. Oh, it's like a game. Okay, turn it around. So can you play like tic-tac-toe with it? That would be cool. It's animation. All right, I get it. I will say the children's toys, like in Walmart and stuff, they're kind of pricey. And I mean, my kids are much older. I don't need toys, but I just couldn't imagine. You know what I mean? It's crazy. Okay, $30. Oh, you're right. Okay, my husband just made a point because we walked past the pinball machine. You know, the Star Wars one? It is broken already. The ball is stuck.
Yeah, it won't release a new ball, and for $5,000,
it shouldn't break
it
like
shouldn't
that.
break, no.
So yeah. Okay, look, so we have it in white. They have this in red and also in black. It is by DKNY. It's gonna be $29.99, so $30. Yeah, if I bought a $5,000 pinball machine, no, it should not. The ball shouldn't get stuck in anything. So yeah, it's kind of crazy.
That's a lot of money for that pinball though, because it's almost just like a little bigger than like, you know how Walmart sells arcade games and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, it's not like a gigantic pinball machine like in the arcade. It's like still a little undersized.
We got Gap Fit. Ooh, the Gap flare leggings. These are pretty good. You know what? These will go perfect too if you like to wear like long cardigans. The only thing I don't like about the flare leggings, I think that's why people pay more money, but they're $15. The stitching on the outside, they're not seamless, you know. I know you pay good money for like airy leggings. Those are actually really soft. I highly recommend them. I don't have them, but I did try a pair on. I'm like, I don't want to spend that money right now, you know what I mean? But yeah, I wish they didn't have like the stitching, then I could wear this all the time. So the brand here is Scotch and Soda. It's gonna be $14.97. These are actually kind of nice. They also have it in navy. This is navy, right? It doesn't look all black. Navy. So these are 55% linen. They do feel like a linen shirt. And then 45% viscose. We have no clue. But it comes in navy in this one. Now the Wranglers. Okay, this is a pocket tee. I believe you could probably find this one at Walmart, but they're $10.99 here. They're quite nice. Just a Wrangler pocket tee, casual day. Yeah, $10.99. Windex, you get a 4-pack. Fast Shine Foam, $8.79. This one doesn't end till September 7th. OxyClean, $12.99. This one does end on the end of August. Okay, here's a new one. $16.99. Oh, they got Dubai ice cream. You guys, I've never tried Dubai chocolate bar. I know it was like huge in the summertime, and everyone was like making their own at home. Yeah, and I went to Jerome and they made one there. I didn't try it because it was like I didn't feel like spending the money. But I don't know. Apparently this thing is like supposed to be so good, but it could be hype. Some people hate it.
Comes from Spain.
Oh, more Dubai. Wow, Dubai's in over here. Look at this one. Here's another one. So we had the ice cream. This is $12.99 on the mini cakes. You know what? I may pick this up on my way home because this is before work. So we'll see if my kids want to try it. $12.99 here. Kerrygold, $8 right here. Ends at the end of August. This is the cheese. Aged cheddar. Okay, we have jalapeno cheddar. This is $18. $18 right here. Non-GMO. No nitrates added. And then next to me is the grass-fed 100% cooked uncured Polish sausage. $18. So they're the same price. Marshmallow cookies are $10. A little bit of marshmallow vibe. Okay, look how crazy. They brought the butter cinnamon loaf out, but you only get one. Remember when they had it three?
3 for $10.
3 for 10? Because I was wondering what happened, because we obviously couldn't finish it. But if you were doing things for holiday season, you got one for like your dessert. If people are coming over, like a side thing, then you have one for your household or a neighbor or work. Yeah. Why Costco? And you know, Costco doesn't do the
and it's the same price.
The cinnamon rolls. Those are now seasonal, which I find stupid. Sam's Club has it all year long. And $25 here. 2-pack polytine rake. Here you go. You got the rake. You get 2 of them. Let me move to the front. You get the tiny one, so you know your leaves are falling. These are $25. I have a rake, like the old-fashioned metal ones.
Yeah.
But you get 2 here.
These ones feel a little more flimsy than the metal.
I like the metal ones. I feel like, I don't know, but this is really large though, wide.
Bigger leaf files.
Yeah, we don't really get enough falling of leaves. Okay, $40. Okay, and these are $14.49. Look how freaking cute. You got the which one? We're on a diet. The Kit Kat is cinnamon toast. I haven't tried that one. The Count one is really cute because I like the shape of it. I am a sucker for a Kit Kat
You know what my favorite is?
Huh.
When the Snickers are shaped like nutcrackers and stuff after Christmas. I'm gonna blow my diet on those.
You're gonna blow your diet.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat Snickers nutcracker guys.
And $17.69. You get 3 bags in here. Lifting eye cream. So this set right here. Intensive glow, 100-hour intensive moisture, improves skin elasticity. It is $25 from $33. Ends at the end of August. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do for Costco. Nothing too new here. This went down to $15. You get a 4-pack, which is pretty good. Because I believe these are what, $8 to $9 a piece.
Yeah, right now they're about 15.
Yeah, 15 for 4.
That's pretty darn good.
So yeah, yeah, nothing new in beauty. The Peter Thomas here. These are $32. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there. Give this video a thumbs up, please. And I will see all of you guys in the next one.